Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video we're going to be doing a product review on Chemical Guys V07 car wash soap. Now, to be quite honest, I don't know anything about this car wash soap. I've never used it before. I don't think a super popular soap they sell, but it's kind of billed as a premium soap. It's supposed to make really good foam and leave a really nice gloss in your car. So we're going to test it out in the MTM foam cannon attached to the submachine gun style handle attached to the gas pressure washer. Then after that we'll do a bucket test. So I want to see if this product is any good in either of these situations, and you guys are going to find out with me. It's cold out here. It's about 45 degrees. I don't like cold, but I'm going to do this video anyway. We're going to be doing the 2015 Honda Accord, only because that car is a dark color and you can see the foam better than you could on the white Jetta that we have. So we'll be right back. Alright, so I've got 10 ounces of warm water. I've got 1 ounce of the Chemical Guys V07 in the MTM foam cannon. I've already wet the car down with water, and we're going to go ahead and foam this. Got to say, that is some thick foam. The scent of this car soap is, I'm going to say, just a hint of citrus and maybe kind of like Johnson's baby shampoo a little bit. It kind of smells just a little bit like the Meguiar's Gold Class, but with a little citrus touch and not as much of the Johnson's baby shampoo smell. But this foam is really impressive. Foam doesn't stick very good to this car because the paint's so slick, but this is almost acting like the citrus washing gloss, but the foam structure itself is very fine. And as you can see, even this side with it sitting in the sun, it's very pretty impressive. Alright, so we'll be back in just a few minutes.
Okay, so it has been 7.5 minutes, and the side that's sitting in the sun still has the majority of the foam on there. I am very impressed with the V07 when used in a foam gun. Like I said before, I didn't really know much about this soap, but I gotta tell you, this is probably on the top 3 as far as in a foam gun so far. So I'm gonna rinse this off, and then we're going to get our bucket test set up and see how well this foam works, or how well this soap works as a hand wash. It rinsed off nice and clean. As you can see, it absolutely did not take off any of the wax protection that we have on here. The car was driven in a couple days of rain, so it had some very light road grime. But I am very impressed with the V07. As I said before, it rinsed off very easy, rinses off nice and clean. So definitely a good car soap for your foam cannon. So let me get our bucket set up and we'll see what kind of foamage we get and how this works in a hand wash application. Alright, so I've got our V07 wash, and I'm going to put 1 ounce of the V07 in a bucket of warm water, like we've always done. Okay, we'll get our pressure washer and I'll see what kind of foamage we get from that. Alright, so not the tightest foam, well, I don't know, the foam structure is very closed. I do feel a lot of slickness in the water, not as much as the Wonder Wash, but more than some of the others. It has a very tight foam structure, meaning the bubbles are very small and compact. So I'm going to get my multiple microfibers. I'm going to go ahead and wash the car. Alright, I went ahead and did a hand wash over the entire car, and I have to say that I'm going to say it's medium in the scale of car soaps for hand washing. It just doesn't have the slickness that I like in there. As a soap in a foam can, it's awesome, but it would not, if I was just going to do a bucket wash, it would not be the soap of choice. It does clean very well, but I don't know. I'm going to just say it's medium. I think the Meguiar's Gold Class is probably better for hand washing, but definitely good for foaming. So I'm going to go ahead and get this car dried off. I hope this video was helpful in allowing you to make a good informed choice of what soap you'd like to use, whether you use a foam cannon or a hand wash. Stay tuned and subscribe for more automotive related videos.